Children's basic health rights are a fundamental aspect of their overall well-being and development. Basic health rights. Number 1, right to be born, have a name and nationality. Every child has the right to have a name and belong to a country. Number 2, right to a family. Every child deserves to be loved and cared for by a family. Number 3, right to basic needs. Food, shelter, clothing. Kids need food, a home, and clothes to stay healthy and safe. Number 4, right to education. Every child should go to school and learn new things. Number 5, right to play and recreation. Playing is important for kids to grow happy and smart. Number 6, right to be protected from harm. No child should be hurt or treated badly. Number 7, right to health and medical care. Kids should see a doctor when they are sick. Number 8, right to be heard. Every child can share their thoughts and feelings. Right. Number 9, right to be protected from child labor and abuse. Kids should be not forced to work or be treated unfairly. Number 10, right to live in a safe and peaceful place. Every child should grow up in a happy and secure home. Number 11, right to be treated equally. No child should be treated differently because of their race, gender, or religion. Number 12, right to special care for children with disabilities. Kids with special needs should get extra care and support. Thank you.